What's up, people? Welcome to Riding on Ruby. Well, you might recognize this place. This is the park that I come to a lot when I'm doing some of my test rides for either a new helmet or a coat or something that I did for Ruby. But today this is going to be my starting point. So I figured I'd go for a nosey joyride. Basically meaning that, well, one, I want to get all this winter gas used up so I could get some fresh gas in Ruby, of course the 93 octane. And then I want to go for a ride into this area I haven't been in for probably 20-25 years. And last I knew it was a lot of open area, a lot of farmland. Another part of the road was just like all woods on both sides. So I go a lot down towards the bottom of the hill on my bus routes, but I'm always wondering what does it look like now after all these years at the top. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go up there and be nosy. Alright, so let's get rocking and rolling. Got the kids at home doing leaves and cleaning the yard. Ha 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 on them, right? Alright, let's pull this down. Let's set this back a little bit. I can't see if the GoPro's blinking, so I'm trying to figure out how to do that, to set it up like that. Now they've been doing all kinds of gas lines and everything over here, which has always been hell to go through with a 40-foot bus, and they don't give you enough room to get through. So let's see. Oh, let's see. I don't see him down there. Oh, I don't see him up there either. Good. Alright, let's go. Looks just like my street, all chewed up. I'm gonna keep it in 4th. Now sometimes when they were working on that street, I take this turn right here, this left turn to 5th, but then beyond this point right here, I haven't been here for a long time, so let's see what it looks like. I don't remember those power lines being there. Okay, huh. Well, so far this looks about the same. don't even remember half of these streets being here. But then I'm pretty sure I did go down, yeah, because yeah, I went down this one. Like I said, maybe like 25 years ago. Nice little back road though. Now that's a whole new development right there. Oh my God, that is all new. Holy moly, paved paradise and put up a whole neighborhood. Wow, that's crazy. Oh my God. You know, that's something I don't understand about some of these developers. You know, these people got like billions of dollars, I'm sure, maybe even hundreds of billions of dollars. But it's like, hey, wait a minute. Here's a bunch of open land. Let's build another neighborhood over there. You know, I don't know, is it like an addiction, you know? Just got to keep on going and the thrill of it or something, or greed, you know? I mean, if you got, like, to say $100 billion, what's it gonna do when you die? It ain't gonna mean nothing to you then. I mean, you sell the business and all that, and you can still make every member of your family rich for the rest of their lives. Grandkids, nephews, nieces, siblings, spouse, they all could have like $10 million, and anyone could live off of that comfortably for the rest of your life. Hey, but what do I know? Well, at least they didn't touch this. This area over here might be protected or something, like a watershed or something like that. I don't know. There's a nice lake, but you're not allowed to fish there. But I heard people did, and there's some monster bass in there. Some nice back roads though. I remember this road though. Used to pull over a couple times over here to jump off and have a smoke, either after a route or before you had to start it. Deer crossing. There you go, for sale. That guy must own a lot of places. His name's everywhere. For sale. Wow. That guy must be rich. Some nice houses up here. Just get a chance to use that up. So if you didn't see my short, about the Bluetooth radio there, this is like actually the second time I've had the Bluetooth, not radio, speaker on Ruby. The first time I had her on there with some of these like little rubber, thick rubber type like zip tight things, and they didn't really hold it really secure. So I did a video with that in there, and the funny part about that video was it was just a quick ride down to hang out with the guys, and then the quick ride home after that. But I had the music playing, so one thing is when you stop I could hear it with the full face helmet on because I'm making a video, so I could hear it. But when I'm riding I can't hear it at all. But on the video you could hear it good the whole entire time. So I didn't think, you know, because I couldn't hear a lot of it, you know, that it's no big deal. Well, I ended up getting a copyright claim on that video. Luckily it's not a strike, and apparently YouTube at some point ended up putting in all the artists and the name of the song and all that. and with a little thing that says that the artist or the owner or whatever allows it to be used on YouTube. Ooh, getting a little crazy there. 60, I think it's 40. So I'll put that video at the end, in the ending of this video, so if you want to hear how the speakers sound while you're riding anyways, you'll be able to get that. But I figured, you know, once they put all that stuff in there, the copyright claim would go away, but no, it's not. It's still there. So when I'm just gonna be out riding, like going to work or just, you know, punting around or something, then I'll have the open face on and I should be able to hear it a lot better. Alright, let's see, I think I'll go down, take this left-hand turn, and then head back home. Make sure the kids aren't doing anything crazy, which they shouldn't, but beautiful day. Tomorrow I might go hang out with my good friend Kathy, sit on the deck and just bullshit for a while and have some fun. And then Thursday I gotta go probably birthday present shopping for Scott. His birthday's on, I think, Friday. And then on Friday I got the gas company coming to put in a new meter or whatever. It's between 8 and 12, so I'll sit around holding my fingers up my butt for them all day. Here's the park again. Ugh. Zigzag around all these potholes or manholes, whatever they are. Couldn't ask for a better day. Oh, it's probably like 50 degrees right now, maybe 50 something. Probably no more than 55. Hardly any wind. Careful, there's a lot of coppers on this road a lot. Oh, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, like I say every time. I mean, April's funny though. I mean, we could have like this week it's like, I think, above normal. It's like, I think it's going to be like 70 tomorrow, and then like Thursday and Friday it's going to be like 80 or something, almost near 90. And then like the week after we could be getting like a snowstorm. It's redunculous. So enjoy some of these early spring days where we could get out and do some riding. Just be able to, oh, watch out, squirrel. See if we could pop off a video for you. Get some of this old gas out. Every day, do a little bit of a ride. At least get her down to like a gallon, and then I could put in like two gallons. These bikes don't have fuel gauges. You get that warning light when it gets down to like 0.8 of a gallon, I guess. And then that some little dumb counter thing comes up. I have no idea what it is. Nobody seems to know what it's for. I guess like you could just watch it count, and that light goes on, and like let's say it counts up to like 150 and you made it to the gas station. So then I guess you could figure for the next time, well I could still got a little bit to go before I'm gonna be pushing it. And usually I'll just top her off, but like I said, I want to get all this stale gas out, and I always do put the stabilizer in there. Oh, here comes these people. People, this place look familiar? Alright, that was a nice little quick ride. I moved the camera around because I can't see when it's recording. I'd still like to push it up a little bit higher, but you know, the other day I checked it and then I put it back, and all you could see is basically the handlebars. You couldn't see much of the ride. So I'm just experimenting with better placement for that, because I got it on my chin right now on the full face. Alright people, as usual, be safe, be happy and healthy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the ding-a-ling bell, and we'll catch you in the next ride. Peace out, people.